Hello Kuwait and Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. Yan po, welcome ulit dito sa ating live update. Kasama niyo na naman si Miss Lynn dito sa ICSA. So, ayan po, hopefully, no, lahat is nasa maayos and everyone is, safe and patuloy pa rin sa laban ng buhay at patuloy pa rin sa, sa paggawa ng mga steps na makamit yung ating mga pangarap sa buhay. So, connection to that, so kasi nga may mga newly released certifications sa ating mga graduates, especially dito sa skill-based courses natin. So, ayan, sasayin natin kasi marami naman tayong skill-based courses dito na program sa ICSA, lalo na sa mga computer-based, and then meron din tayong healthcare naman na field, yun yung caregiver practical training course natin, yun yung caregiver CPD practical training course, and then marami pang iba. So, ayan, no, ito yung mga estudyante natin or mga kapwa-FWs and other nationalities din na they did not stop, no, na mag-learn, mag-aral at saka mag-earn ng panibagong skills kahit nasa trabaho. So, sila yung tinatawag natin na working students. So, hindi sila yung mga hindi stay in one skills, pero they make an effort na magkaroon ng panibagong knowledge, panibagong skills na magagamit nila in the near future, di ba? So, ayan po, no, congratulations to Ma'am Christine. Actually, si Ma'am Christine, nakarano siya nagpa-follow up ng kanyang certifications. Ito siya. Si Miss Christine actually is enrolled sa Diploma in Health and Social Care with Caregiver Practical Training course natin. So, ayan. So, congratulations, Ma'am Christine. So, andito yung inyong certification for Caregiver Practical Training course. And then, congratulations also to Mr. Shah Sawarkhan Muhammad Amin. Yan. He completed also the Caregiver Practical Training course or CPD. So, yan. Congratulations also to Ma'am Marichon Valmoria Edpalina. So, yan, correct me if I'm wrong. Ha, Ma'am Marichon. So, andito na po yung certificate niya for Caregiver Practical Training course po. Okay? And then also to Ma'am Roslyn Castillo Garcia. Nagtapos rin siya ng Caregiver Practical Training course. So, isa sila sa mga na-release ng certifications. May marami pang iba. Ito lang yung nabunot ko doon. So, yan, congratulations also to Mr. Hassan Hisam Wamichi. So, yan po. You have completed your computer secretarial training course with AI. So, yan yun yung computer course natin ngayon. It is integrated na ng computer, ng artificial intelligence. Kasi yun naman talaga ang in ngayon at saka trend din. So, kailangan din sumunod. Yun nga, no? Kailangan din sumunod sa ano yung trend ngayon, ano yung kailangan ng industry, ano yung hinahanap nilang skills. So, kaya yung mga courses sa ICSA is unti-unti ng artificial intelligence integrated sa mga courses natin. Isa na yun yung ating computer office application, yung computer secretarial course. Okay? So, congratulations also to Ma'am Samra Dulangan Timan. You have completed your computer secretarial course with AI. So, ayan. Congratulations also to Ms. Susana Akpa. You have completed your secretarial course with AI. So, our courses here in ICSA is not only for Filipinos, but open also for other nationalities. So, if you're looking for a certain skill-based courses, so, andito, we have offered here in ICSA, especially sa mga nagbabalak to change career or pasukin yung career sa corporate world, which is as a secretary, executive, manager. So, open yung ating computer secretarial course. Lalo na sa mga new way of assisting clients is more on computer-based na. Okay? So, para hindi mo pag-iwanan, kailangan din natin mag-earn ng skills na yon sa paggamit ng computer. Okay? So, congratulations also to Ma'am Stella Maris Unayan Padasas. So, yeah, you completed your computer secretarial training course. And then also to Mr. Harun Muhammad Wasim. Completed your computer secretarial training course with AI. So, Miss Melissa Lagatok Zuleta. So, you have completed your computer secretarial course with AI. And also, ayun, ito yung mga nakuha ko doon for releasing na to na certifications, which is printed this week. So, if your names has been called, so pwede nyo na siyang kunin dito yung certifications ninyo for computer, secretarial course, caregiver, marami pang iba. Okay, so ilan lang to sa mga nakuha ko doon, and it's really ready for releasing. So, congratulations also to Miss Joanna Bautista Yumol. You have completed your virtual assistant course. So, ayan. So, isa to sa mga bagong offered ni ICSA, yung ating virtual assistant course. So, sa mga kababayan natin na gustong pasukin naman ang virtual or VA field, so open yung ating training for virtual assistant. So, available yung batches natin for face-to-face class and online classes natin. So, sa mga kababayan natin na walang once a week off, pwede pa rin kayo mag-enroll for our virtual assistant course. So, available ngayon yung ating Friday batch. Actually, di ba, dapat end na siya this week, yung admission for virtual assistant. And-extend natin siya until March 27, next Friday. Kasi nga this coming Friday is Eid holiday. So, we have extended yung ating virtual assistant training course sa March 27. So, kung gusto nyo humabol for enrollment, gusto nyo pasukin yung virtual assistant field na trabaho sa mga gustong umuwi sa Pilipinas, at the same time, gusto pa rin magkaroon ng stable income, no? So, why not try yung virtual assistant job? Okay? So, kaya andito available yung ating virtual assistant training course. So, included siya kung makikita ninyo kasama yung Workspace, Slack, ClickUp, Hubstaff, Shopify, HubSpot, maraming mga software training yung ini-include sa course na ito. Okay? So, for more questions, pwede kayo mag-message ito sa ating comment box below sa 99302850 for more details. Okay? So, yung batch natin for Friday batch, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. for virtual assistant will close until March 27. So, extended siya ng 1 week. So, parang rin yun, no? Malapit-lapit na sa sahuran. So, maghabol na kayo sa enrollment kung gusto nyo itong course ng virtual assistant. Okay? So, congratulations also to Miss Nida Shabazz. So, she completed her SketchUp, Lumion, and V-Ray training course. So, sa mga mga kababayan natin na gusto naman pasukin yung field ng architecture, interior, exterior designing, available yung ating SketchUp training course. Available din kung wala kayong basic knowledge for planning. So, kailangan natin magsimula muna sa AutoCAD 2D and 3D before mag-proceed sa interior and exterior designing softwares. Tulad ng SketchUp, 3D Studio Max, Revit. So, before that, kailangan nyo muna magkaroon ng basic sa planning. Ayun yung AutoCAD 2D and 3D. Okay? So, congratulations also to Mr. Timothy Naklubo. So, you have completed your professional graphic designing. Okay? So, eto rin, congratulations to Mr. George Rosa Kunjapu. You have completed your Shopify e-commerce course. So, ayan. So, marami tayong courses dito sa ICSA for skill-based courses. So, ilalagay lang namin dito yung details sa ating captions. Yung kung ano ba yung mga available courses offered ni ICSA. If not, gusto nyo personally bumisita dito. We're located here in Panasonic Tower, 8th floor, Malia, Kuwait City. Okay, so pwede kayong bumisita. We're open every day except Thursday from 9 o'clock until 5 p.m. So, habang nandito sa abroad, gusto panibagong skills, panibagong job opportunity na naman papasukin, why not mag-take kayo ng first step, which is to enhance yourself, enhance your skills, enhance your CV. Siyempre, kasama na doon, yung portfolio ninyo. So, kailangan nyo mag-aral ng panibagong skills. So, yun palaging sinasabi natin sa mga estudyante, no? Kahit na may course na sila, we are advising them na don't settle for one skills. Kailangan meron tayong multiple skills na meron sa atin. Para at least, no, kapag may mga opportunity, may options ka. Kapag open itong door na to, you have an option to take that job. Kung meron naman dito, like designing, dito naman office work. So at least meron ka ng skills sa bawat isa, so pipili ka na lang. Hindi ka mahihirapan. Kapag na-close yung isang opportunity, at least may isang opportunity ka papasukan. Okay? So yun yung advice natin sa mga estudyante natin. Continue yung self-development, continue yung learning, continue yung pag-upgrade ng skills. Okay? So, ayan, isa sa mga ito, yung mga kaka-release lang ng certifications for their training. So, ready na for claiming dito sa office natin. So, for more details sa mga courses natin, kung mga interesadong course, may mga questions, mag-message na kayo dito sa ating WhatsApp number. Available yung ating mga student consultant, and they are very welcoming na i-assist kayo sa mga questions, mga yung mga concerns ninyo, pwede kayong mag-message. Okay? Sa mga estudyante natin na nasa bakasyon ngayon at gustong bumalik sa klase, pwede kayong bumalik sa klase. We're open siguro sa Eid dito, sa Friday or Saturday, Depende. Kasi to be announced pa naman yung Eid holidays. So, apart from that, but we will be, be posting it dito sa page natin, if in case. Okay? So, for more questions sa mga estudyante natin, pwede nyo kong i-message sa WhatsApp, sa admin plus 965-9767-4076. So, ayan po, no? Maraming salamat and see you more sa ating live update dito sa ICSA. Maraming salamat po and God bless everyone and keep safe po.